estate experiment. What is happening, y'all? Just reminiscing on the last week, it's been a lot of things going on. One thing that I did want to capture is the first deal that we were able to close, and I really want to stress on touching on how that happened. I actually didn't get into the details. There was one post that I posted about it, but I really wanted to get into how it happened, how it worked. So as you guys know, I'm starting a new meetup group. It's called OPT, Other People's Time. And the whole thing behind that, Other People's Time, this is a quick plug because it relates to what I'm about to say now, is leveraging other people's time, skill sets, and just building a team and systematizing the whole thing for either the most important thing, which is lead generation, right? How to find a deal. And what I was able to do is partner with one of my investor partners. Happens to be busy throughout the day. He has another profession he's seeking out, and he's putting out the direct mail campaigns, and I'm going out on site and meeting with the homeowner, running the property evaluation, the repair estimates for the investors. As you know, for the wholesaling, we get the property on the contract, and then we reassign the contract to an investor that comes in and closes on that. So it's about the in-person, which is my strength, and leveraging off of that. So what we did, again, we got the property on the contract. I was able to build that rapport, and then we had an end buyer come in again, and what that means is leveraging each other's strengths, right? So I'm coming in and building in that rapport, like building that relationship, walking the homeowner through our process as an investors. Again, you guys know I'm a realtor now, so I can wear both hats, which is the benefit. And so we were able to get that property on the contract in February, had the due diligence period for 2 weeks, and we're able to close on that and set up a partnership, 50-50. Split the profit, and that was the first deal. So, and I say this because I think it's really important to a lot of us sometimes out there getting started on our own. And again, I couldn't have done this by myself, and so I do take that as a big key takeaway. And now, what if I can multiply that times 10 and work on that, as opposed to trying to figure everything out by myself, paying the marketing, So again, that's why I bring OPT back into it. That's why I'm starting a local meetup in Peachtree City. So if you're out there, let's connect, because I'm looking to create more of that and multiply that, right? Imagine this, I have, for example, right now I'm partnering with someone who's really good on the phone with calls, right? Phone calls. So even if I was to learn that today, which I do want to learn, so that when I delegate it out to somebody, I still understand what the process is. There's someone out there who's really already doing it at a 10x level. And so why not partner and leverage some of my resources? So being a realtor, I might have tools and access to certain properties, the MLS and comparative market analysis, and maybe I seem more credible to a homeowner if they don't want to work with investors. So kind of like leverage each other's skills and strengths and continue to 10x this whole thing. So I just want to bring that home. It was a big little cheers. We had a first deal. And so I think it's it'll be interesting to see how we move forward on our own, and at the same time continue to leverage other people's time and expertise to make this thing 10x and continue to build. So on that note, I will come back in and tune back in. I'll be away for a little bit, but we'll continue to keep the action going and the momentum going. On that note, let's build, y'all.
I know one day I would do it real big, real shit. Real shit. I know what my real niggas feel is. Nighttime, love songs, and even see the stars, but we still wish. Real shit, real shit. Who would ever thought that we would